Hello EDCers, welcome back to another episode. This is JP, thank you for tuning in. Alright guys, in the first episode we talked about the segmented EDC, and I showed you guys what I carry on my person, what I carry in the nutsack, and what I carry over my shoulder. In this episode we're going to be talking about the 4 kits that I have that are part of my segmented EDC that are in 4 strategically put locations around my house. One is a floater kit, and it could literally be anywhere at any given time. It's a floater kit. The second is in my bedroom. The third is in my office, and the fourth is in my downstairs foyer tucked away. First of all, let's talk about the floater kit. The floater kit is my pretty much toolkit that I would like to carry around me every once in a while. If I'm going on a hike, I'll grab this kit and throw it in my hiking kit. If I'm going to be on a day trip somewhere or a business trip or something of that nature where I'm not going to be at home, I'm not going to be around my office, I'll throw this in my EDC, in the nutsack. And what's in this kit? Let's just get right into it. Okay, in this kit is very simply, almost elegantly stacked out. What's in here? I've got my Charge TTI Leatherman with the bit kit and the extender, just in case I need those. I have a True Utility nail clipper. I've got that in here because you never know. You may need it for your nails. You might need it for clipping a wild beard hair. Happens. And I might need it for clipping these wire ties. Love to have wire ties with me just in case I need to, you know, tie wires together. And then in the back, on this side, I have one of my auto drive battery banks. This is at 100% charge. I make sure that they're charged up every Monday morning. Sometimes they'll hold a charge all week long, and sometimes I'll use them continually all week long. Just kind of depends on what I need and where I'm at. And then I have the cables here for my phone and to charge up the charger itself if needs be. And that's what the floater kit is. Now, you'll notice that in the first video of my EDC, I didn't have a power bank with me in my EDC. And that's because I have one in my floater kit. And if I'm at home, I can plug into the wall. And if I'm in the car, I can plug into the car. So we've done this like that, it just didn't make sense. I've got one here. Alright, kit number 2. This is the bedroom kit. So this kit, I just wanted it to be really basic. We have a full med kit upstairs in the upstairs bathroom by the bedrooms, right in between them all. I've got medications, I've got all that kind of stuff in that bedroom. So I didn't need to have this too crazy and full. So what do we have in here? In the front compartment, and this is a Maxpedition cap kit. Inside of here, I've got some super glue in case something breaks upstairs or somebody gets cut, whatever. I've got the big lighter. And down here, I've got all of my silver that I've been collecting over the years and whatnot in there as well. Alright, in the main compartment, this is where it gets really simple, really quick. I have a Tops MSK right there, and the Claris G20L 3000 lumen flashlight. And this is a crazily bright light. So I have that in there, and then I do have a charging cable for that. I can always plug this into my charging bricks that are next to my bed because that's where I charge my phone at night and my watch and stuff. So I've got that there. This is the upstairs bedroom kit. The kit for my office. The kit for my office is a little bit bigger, but it's an overall hiking kit because I do a lot of hiking here. We have a mountain that's literally a quarter of a mile away, and I climb that thing. I try to once a weekend and just climb up to the top, enjoy a cup of coffee up there, and then climb my butt back down. So I love to hike, so I have a complete hiking kit. I'm not going to go through this hiking kit right now, but we will do that in the next video because there's a lot to this kit, and it would make this video wicked long. And then the final kit, the one that I have kind of tucked away, nice and hidden, downstairs in the front foyer and whatnot, is my Get Out of Dodge Quick Kit. I also call this the Nick Kit. The Nick Kit. Why? This kit is made up of everything that Nick from GearNut has given me over the years. So very quickly, open this kit up, and I've got a Tops whistle. They came with the Tops knife. Figure that one out. A bunch of pocket sleeves here. One has it's an Olight, brass Olight. I don't remember which one this was. The i3T? I3, I don't know. It's an Olight, a brass Olight. And then next to that, Fisher Space Pen. Nick got me wickedly into Fisher Space Pens. His wife made this handkerchief. It's a double-sided handkerchief. One side is blue and white, and the other side is blue and white, but off-colored. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. See that? Anyway, so that's in there. If you guys follow Fraud Tack at all, you know about Nick's fire starting kits. Little ferro rod, little lighter. I've got that one here. I have the original Tops MSK that he blessed me with, and then I have a Tops Scandi Grind in here that he gave me. Love it. Some various medical stuff and some tool stuff that he had suggestions for, and ended up sending me some things, just little things. And then in the back of here, which you can't see, and I'm not going to dig it out because it took me a while to get it in there, was the Giant Nick Fire Kit. And that's the one that is all Kydex, and it's got everything in it, but that's in there. And then of course in this front pocket here, zip pocket, I have a couple other things, some 550 cord, some more boo-boo kit. There's another boo-boo kit right here, and then a space blanket and one of those cheap Coleman rain gear things, you know, the ponchos or whatnot, but that's in there too. So this is pretty much a complete survival kit. I could probably survive for a couple of days with this if this is all that I had. So this is actually by my door, tucked away neatly where it's inconspicuous in our front foyer, so I can grab that and go whenever I need to. And really, there's a fifth kit, but the fifth kit is another roaming kit that kind of goes along with this kit, and that kit is my GoPro kit. And this literally is just a kit that has my GoPro Session, my GoPro 5, various batteries and charging options, and a little tiny tripod. And that's all that's in that kit. Alright guys, so this is video 2 in the series of the segmented EDC, as you can tell by the title and the intro and everything. So stay tuned for video number 3, which is going to be my hiking kit, which is pretty much standard EDC for me, for the weekends anyway. And stay tuned for that video. So I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos. They can tend to run a little long because there's a lot going on in them. But stay tuned for video number 3 coming up, and we'll get through this series. So my friends, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guys, grab your kit. It's time to go.